Introducing the Antarctic Star 60-inch electric fireplace, a remarkable addition to modern home heating and ambience solutions. With its versatile installation options, realistic flame effects, energy-efficient heating, flexible controls, and a strong commitment to safety and environmental friendliness, this electric fireplace offers an all-in-one package for enhancing the comfort and aesthetics of your living space. Join us as we explore the features and benefits that make this fireplace a standout choice for homeowners seeking style and warmth. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation versatility. This electric fireplace offers a remarkable level of installation versatility. It can be installed in multiple ways, catering to various home decor preferences. You have the option to recess it into the wall for a sleek and seamless appearance, or semi-recess it for a unique design touch. Alternatively, you can wall mount it like a decorative picture frame, adding both warmth and ambience to your living space. The fireplace also includes freestanding legs for added flexibility in placement. Weighing only 56.3 pounds, it's a manageable task for one person to install. Number 2. Realistic flame effects. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its ability to create incredibly realistic flame effects. Equipped with ultra-high intensity LED lights and a large display, it produces flames that appear to burn with intensity. These flames emerge slowly from the source, and then gracefully rise to the top of the fireplace, where they flicker and dance convincingly, simulating the natural movement of real flames. What sets it apart is the 12-color flame and crystal combination, allowing you to switch between various flame colors, from traditional red to modern shades like blue, purple, or pink. The result is a visually stunning and dynamic display that enhances the ambience of any room. Number 3. Thermostat and energy efficiency. This electric fireplace doesn't just offer aesthetic appeal. It also serves as an efficient heating solution. The front heater blower operates in 2 modes, 750 watts and 1500 watts, giving you the flexibility to adjust the heat output according to your comfort and energy-saving preferences. With a heating capacity suitable for areas up to 400 square feet, it's perfect for supplementing your existing heating system during colder months. You can easily customize the heating level to keep you warm and snug in freezing winter conditions. This dual functionality makes it a practical choice, serving as both a functional electric heater and a decorative fireplace with no heat when desired. Number 4. Flexible control modes. This electric fireplace offers convenient control options. You can manage every function of the fireplace using the included remote control or the user-friendly touchscreen interface. This allows you to easily power the fireplace on or off, set a timer for 1 to 8 hours, independently control the heating and flame functions, adjust flame color and speed, and even activate sleep mode for added convenience. These control options ensure that you can create the ideal ambience and heating level with minimal effort. Number 5. Safe and environmentally friendly. Safety is a top priority with this electric fireplace. It is CE Tail certified and features a safety cutoff device for overheating protection, providing peace of mind while using it. Moreover, as it generates artificial flames, there are no harmful gas emissions, dust, or ashes produced, making it an environmentally friendly heating option. This not only contributes to a healthier indoor environment, but also simplifies maintenance, as there's no need for regular cleaning associated with traditional wood-burning fireplaces. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 3.86 inches depth by 60 inches width by 18.1 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Versatile installation options. Realistic 12-color flame effects. Adjustable heating modes. convenient remote and touchscreen control. One reason not to buy. May not effectively heat larger rooms. Conclusion. The Antarctic Star 60-inch electric fireplace impresses with its installation versatility, lifelike flame effects, efficient heating capabilities, convenient control options, and commitment to safety and eco-friendliness. Whether recessed in the wall or wall-mounted, it adds both style and warmth to your living space, making it a valuable addition to any home. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.